viewers, welcome back to Java Code Academy. Yesterday I discussed about encapsulation already. Today we discuss about the inheritance uh, in Java in OOPS concept. The second pillar of object oriented program and eliminate duplicate code in our project. Now discuss about inheritance. What is inheritance? It is a mechanism where one class acquires the properties, field, and behaviors method of another class. Think like of it a real family tree. You have a parent or father and you have a child. The child automatically gets the DNA of the parents. Doesn't the child doesn't have to reinvent that DNA, they just it inherited. In Java terms, the parent is called the superclass. The child is the subclass. The extends keyword. Let's look the code. Here is the bad. Here is the bad way we are doing it. Show mobile class with name, price and book class with name, price. To fix this, we first identify what is common. What is common here both? Here is common price. Price and name. Let's create a parent class called product. Yes, I already created the product. In product, what we declared name and price. We have to see display the what information we display name and price. Here we done the write a parent class method. Now here is the magic. We go to our mobile class. We delete the repeated code. It look empty now, but we are going to type one special word that is that was is extends. Extends to this is your child class. Extends calls to the parent class. Product is the parent class. It has refers mobile class refers to product class. Then empty but inherits everything from product. Mobile automatically gets name, price and display information. Mobile extends product. That line tells Java, hey mobile, is a child of parent? Give mobile everything that product has. Proving it works. The main method. You might be thinking, but the mobile class is empty. How can we use it? Watch this. Now proving it, how can it works? Even through the mobile class appear empty, it has access to all parent properties. Create an object mobile variable is m1 equals to declare the object. What is how to declare object? I already tell about the in objects video class and objects video. I already said about that. You can refer that, you get more clarity. A variable he access the inherited property. What is the first I declare? I take a inherit, it is a variable, I take it. What I have, what I assign the name property, I assign the iPhone, I assign the name of the value. Java automatically look in the parent product class. The power of inheritance, write code once in the parent and all children get it for free. Adding unique features. Inheritance is it just copy. It's about extending functionality with specialized future. Parent, common features. Product class contains shared properties. Properties mean name, price, display, method. Child class specified features. It means what is the only has mobile have this, what is the OS, and who are the author of the book. Only book has this. Type of inheritance in Java. In inheritance in Java is there are two types. One is the single inheritance, and next one is the multi-level inheritance. Multi-level is the most important to our real world project building process. Now, one parent in single inheritance, one parent, one child. Example: product, mobile. Product is the parent, mobile is the child. In multi-level inheritance, grandparent, parent, child. For example, product, electronics, mobiles. In interviewer, you ask, does have support multiple inheritance, one child, two parents? No. Java prevent this to avoid confusion. A class can only extends one parent class only. This is the single inheritance. Why use inheritance? Code reusability. Write once, use everywhere. Eliminate duplicate code across your project. Better organization. Group related concept together in a logical hierarchy. Easy maintenance. Update parent class once and child class automatically inherit changes. What's next? Happen